Okay, so in this example, we have a data set of information that we want to upload to text boxes in on a website or anywhere in a website that can accept data. Let's say we got this data set from somewhere you collected, like Microsoft Forms or Google Forms, Salesforce, or any other software export for that matter. You got it into Excel and it's not properly written or in order, and you want to reorganize it. Now, always remember we can custom-make any function that we need to normalize the data set before uploading it to the desired website. All we have to do is make sure it's error-free. So here we have the first name, middle name, last name, email addresses. But as you can see, the last name and middle name cells are empty, and the first name has a full name in it. Now, what we want to do is move the last name over here, the middle name over here, and the first name, just keep it as is with just the first name. Excel has a few options to do that. One of the best is a flash fill. So all you have to do is put the cell pointer right over here, click James, Queen, and Excel offers you the rest and fills them out. Let's try and do it with the middle name. Click B, C, D, nothing works. So what do we do? For that, we have this button right here to fix the first and last names. We're gonna erase this and don't blink because that's gonna be fast. We're gonna click it and Excel changes everything, right? We got the first names, middle names, and last names. Now, as you can see over here, everything's in lowercase, and we also have some numbers over here that look like phone numbers, but not exactly. And we want to change that too. So for that, we have the normalized data. And once we click on it, don't blink, click it. And as you can see, the numbers look like phone numbers right now. And the alignment was centered. And the last name and first name are in proper caps. We can always do that manually, but what if this data set wasn't like 10 rows? Instead, it could have been hundreds of rows or thousands of rows, and you don't have the time and you don't want to do that. This example has just two simple things that we can actually apply to normalize data. And always remember that we can harness anything in Excel's power and tailor make it to suit your needs in a click of a button. Uh, Now we have our unique usernames over here, and we want to generate some passwords because that's what we need for the website. But we want to create them unique and very strong. So what we have is generate passwords over here. We can always do it ourselves, but of course, if this data set was hundreds of rows, thousands of rows, you cannot do that. So once we click this, Excel generated some passwords for us and even the confirmed passwords over here. All we got left is to insert all the fields over here from one of the rows into a website that we chose. And for this example, we are choosing the grants.gov website, but we can apply it to basically any website we want. So to do that, we can click on any row that we wish and enter and Excel will enter it automatically and fill out the requested fields for us. So let's click Drew, and we're gonna click the fill out data, and we get a custom message that came up just to make sure that all applications and browsers are closed for that function to work. I'm gonna click OK, and Excel opens up the website, and it's gonna fill out the data on its own. We can also make it click the button and send the data to its designated place. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.